What's going on, guys? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. I have another solid video for you guys, and this one is going to be on the app library feature of iOS 14. So with the app library, it does as the name suggests. So it just organizes all of your apps without you having to create individual folders for each app. It just will automatically categorize the apps based on the category from the app store it came from and other factors. So the app library is just a genius feature. So you're probably wondering where the app library is. Well, it's always going to be on the last screen of all of your pages. So if we scroll all the way to the last page, it'll be there. So you can see that we have my 3 pages right here. And then I go one more, and then I'm just at my app library right here. So with the app library, it's a very unique section. So you can see we have all of our apps here that include suggestions, recently added, entertainment, productivity, creativity, social, and then utilities, reference, and lifestyle, health and fitness, and then other. So you can see that there's quite a few different categories for this particular app library. It's very clean and I really like it overall. So if we were to take a look at entertainment, just simply tap on it and we have that nice animation for the particular apps in that folder. So to actually go into the folder, we just have to tap on the 4 icons right here, and then it'll go into the folder. And then if we just tap on one app, it'll just go straight back into the app. So you can see how easy it is. So we just simply go in and how quick it is to navigate. And I really like that animation, I must say. It's just a very fluid and smooth navigation. Now we just have all of the other apps here. So essentially this is what the app library is. Now we can tap on the search for app library. And with that search for app library, we have all of our apps. Now we can just scroll through all the apps like this. And in order to scroll another way, you can just use it this way. So it's all in alphabetical order, and it's just very unique with this app library. I really like what it has to offer, and it's just very organized. And this is kind of Android-like and very just like all the Cydia tweaks as well. So this is the app library in its full entirety. Now, another hidden feature that you can do with this app library is actually you can just simply get out of it. And then what you can do is actually just put the apps into wiggle mode. And then what we can do is just take a look at the pages right here. So just simply tap on that. And then it allows us to hide certain pages of apps. So you can see that I already was hiding one page of apps, but we can also hide another one just by tapping on that check mark. Once we hide that page, it'll just be gone. So you can see that the page is no longer there. You used to have 3 pages there and it's no longer there anymore. So you can see how easy it is to do that. Now we have the app library there. So that's what we can do on iOS 14 with the app library. It's a very unique feature and I was really looking forward to Apple finally implementing it. So that is what the app library has to offer. So I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button down below so you know you watched. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button and be sure to drop a comment down below on what you think of the app library, if you'll be using it or if you think it's a wasted feature. Also be sure to follow me on all the other social media platforms of Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is AppleCritics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content, and thanks for watching.